Here they come, folks, from the left. They don't pay me by the word, so I'm going to get quiet. Watch now, the P-38 Lightning and your F-35 Lightning. Let's hear it, everybody.
My steps were quick and light, and I held firm. What I felt was right, like a rock.
Just an incredible airplane. You look at that thing and its stealth technique. Tell to me about that, Arky. I got to hear this because the F-35, one of the things we pointed out yesterday is it presents all of the information to the pilot through one computer, one point of entry. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, truly an amazing capability.